In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear WhatsApp storage. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then go to settings. After that, tap at storage and data, and then manage storage. That's where we can check how much space is used by our WhatsApp app. On my device, it takes 294 megabytes, and down below in that list we can check how much space is taken by each particular conversation. And then we can get into each of these conversations. It will show us media files in that conversation, and then we can remove the largest or the files that we don't want to keep anymore. We can just tap at select, and then we can check mark those files, or we can just tap at select all, and then all we have to do in order to remove that files is just tap at that trash icon and then hit at delete. In the same way, we can clear any media files in any conversation. Then we can go back, and then we can configure media auto download of files such as photos, audio, video, and documents. Also, down below here we can tap at media upload quality and then change it to data saver if you want to save space. That's how you can easily clear and save space on your WhatsApp storage. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.